Welcome to the channel, or if you've had the misfortune of being here before, welcome back. Today, if everything goes to plan, we will be replacing the blades on this Rover Utility XL mower. Here is the tools I will need to complete this task, and here is our new blades, with the instructions on the back. Depending on your mower type, we need to use picture number 4 according to what's written on the front. Use fitting instruction 4. First, we will remove the spark plug lead and the spark plug, because here at the Silverhaired Boomer YouTube channel we are all about safety. Safety first, because second is too late. Next, we need to remove the chute where the cut grass is ejected from. This will allow us to access the blades easier. The reason the mower is up on stands is A, it's a better working height, and B, it's not good to tip a 4-stroke on its side. There are videos around saying how to do it, but I don't want to find out the hard way that perhaps that was not a good idea. To remove the chute, there is 3 bolts. We shall now remove the chute. The 3 bolts are now out, and the chute has this retaining clip on it, so you can just fold it up out of the way. And then under here we can see there are our blades. There are 2 blades that we need to remove. Both bolts are now out. On top here is a little washer which we need to keep. As you can see, these blades are pretty well stuffed when compared to the new ones. When replacing the blades, it's also best to replace the bolts. Here is some new bolts I prepared earlier, and a new spring washer as well. It is now time to install the new blade. So we need the bolt, the blade, the spring washer, which goes on top of the blade, between the blade and the disc. like so. Spin that around. Then we need this washer from earlier and our new nut. Then we take our spanner and tighten. Both blades are now on. As always, any advice on this channel is of a general nature only. If you're not confident, consult your local Rover repair specialist. Now we need to put the chute back in place. I'm going to replace the bolts with some stainless steel nuts and bolts and washers that have been left over from another project. The new bolts are in. All that's left to do now is put the spark plug back in and hook up the spark plug lead. There we go. Job complete. No bits left over. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoy this garbage, like and subscribe. If you don't enjoy it, like and subscribe anyway.